So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you to get DriveZone Online hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, guys, right here, we're broke, but we have a button that we can press to activate free money. So as you can see, free coins and free points. So I'm going to turn this on and then we're going to be rich. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, this is what we're working with currently. And we should be seeing some rise, so let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, it's not rising yet, but it might go up. So bang, there it is. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do, go to the browser. All right, type tweak mod, I believe it is, and then just type DriveZone Online. Press install, and then the last step is the verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps from the App Store completely free, and then we'll have the DriveZone hack. So super cool. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, you can see Apple and Android logos. So this is fully working, guys, and it is super cool. So as you can see, it's loading. So just give it a second to load up. Now we just gotta download 2 of these apps, bro, so it's pretty easy. So as you can see, it's gonna say missing files, so you just want to download some of them. You don't have to do all of them, but you can see like Underdog says download for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Scanner app, Travel Town. There's a video if you're confused, but yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it, because I'm a big DriveZone fan, but this actually is legit, as you can see. So press the button and you can add free coins and points, so that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys found it useful. I've had no issues whatsoever. So yeah, peace out, bros. This is so wild, and it's updated and everything, so you're gonna enjoy it. It's legit. One thing is you could go on the settings, turn on the background refresh, and then turn off low power mode, which is very easy. So yeah, super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out. This is very cool and it fully works, guys. So yeah, try it out today.